Good morning guys. After such a long time I'm doing the full day in my life video. So here is Anna. She just woke up with me, and because you know, one of our housemates is on leave and the second one will go early, so like very early, so most of the stuff I have to do. So you know, I'm not sure what I'm going to do today, because handling Anna and then you know, doing household chores is really difficult. Early in the morning ये हो रहा है. So Anna got this car. Actually my niece जो है Anantya, उसकी car है ये, and she was not using this car, so she said, you know, let Anna, you know, play with this one. So it's a battery operated car, and Anna is so happy from past 2 days. Tea time. Thankfully tea is here, but you can see over there, if you are able to spot these small insects which came in the night, there are so many. So oh my god, we have to clean that up. So we just changed bedsheet of this room, and Anna helped me a lot. And yeah, in case you're wondering from where I got this bedsheet, it's from a brand called Spaces, and I got it from Home Center Lifestyle. And now we are gonna change a bedsheet of blue room. All the stuff is lying on the floor, and floor is clean, so don't worry. And now let me just change the bedsheet now. हम खा रहे हैं, आज हम क्या खा रहे हैं नाश्ते में? मूली पराठा विद अचार। हेलो, क्या खा रहे हो? पाटा खा रहे हो पापा से? मम्मा आपका पाटा लाई है, शायद आप चुग लो थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि आप वह खाने वाले में से तो हो नहीं अच्छे बेबी, है ना? सो देखते हैं किचन में क्या बन रहा है। चावल बन चुके हैं, फिर मेथी की पूड़ी के लिए मेथी उबली है ये, और उसको क्रश करके रखी हुई है। अब इसका आटा मड़ेगा। और सब्जी में हम घर में आज छोले बने हैं, चटपटे छोले। एंड दूसरी सब्जी जो बन रही है वो है पालक पनीर। ये पालक कुछ ज़्यादा ही हरी नहीं है। मैचिंग मुझे नहीं है ना Anna के पास, कोई बात नहीं, इसको ठंड तो लग जाएगी। हाँ, आर यू हैप्पी? मम्मा का लिप ग्लॉस लेके आई है मेरे रूम से चुरा के। Whether I get gifts or not, but I gifted this t-shirt to Arjun when I was shopping for Diwali. I got this t-shirt for him. And how do you feel about it, Arjun? That you get so many gifts, and
awesome.
You do give gifts to your daughter, right? But what about me?
You should check the bank locker and then, you know, speak to me. What I am gifting you. चलो लगा दो पापा।
लिप बाम लगाना सिखा रहे हैं डैडी Anna को। कैसे लगाते हैं? डैडी को लगा दो। वी 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 वी, डैडी और बेबी का लव हो रहा है यहाँ पर। डैडा गुड़िया, अर्जुन इतने प्यार से बोलोगे तो कैसे छोड़ेगी वो? थोड़ा सा रिजिड होना पड़ेगा। And here I am. This is one of my old dress. I got like 3 or 4 years back from Bombay Selection. Very simple, different kind of anarkali design. Simple dress. I just applied lipstick, that's it, because it's a home vlog and I'm allowed to, you know, be without makeup and no jewelry. because I have to take care of Anna, and she's like, you know, snatching everything, and then I get irritated. So that's why I haven't worn any jewelry. But we are going out, I think, to meet my brother and my family. So when I will reach there, then only I will wear some like little pieces, and that's it. Lunch time. We are eating chola, chawal, roti, chola chawal, mooli and pyaz. And Anna is growing up everything. Oh my god. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. She doesn't want to eat anything, but she will not let any other person eat as well. She just left to play with food. वो सारा खाना गिराने का काम है उसका. I don't have time, so I'm naturally straightening my hair by sitting in, below the fan.
I don't know.
अब मम्मा करेगी तो बेबी तो करेगी ना, मम्मी करोगी ना बुढ़िया, है ना. शैतान तो आप हुई. हाँ मम्मी कर दो.
मम्मा की कर दो.
चलो करो. आज इधर आगे जाओगे. कर दो. I'm all set. We got a new diaper bag from the same brand, Skip, for Anna. It's a little bigger diaper bag, especially for winters. So that's that. Diaper bag is packed. And here is my outfit. And here I wore jewelry and little things like a small bindi. That's it. I think we have the spirit of Diwali. So yay! Diwali! Yay! Even though from my heart I'm like, सोने को मिल जाए, सोने को मिल जाए, सोने को मिल जाए.
Say happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
अरे अपने viewers को अच्छे से तो बोल दो.
Happy Diwali. Thank you for 10,000 subscribers.
On your channel?
Yes.
Miss Anand.
Miss Anand.
हाँ, 10,000 subscribers हो गए हैं.
कुछ
Can you show me what you are wearing on Diwali?
Yes, yes.
So, this is a red and golden lehenga which my mom made for Miss Anand, and it's really pretty. I think I got inspired, and I'm gonna make a similar lehenga for my daughter as well. Top है
I'm
इसका.
not wearing this.
You know, क्या है ये dress आपकी?
So we have a green jacket.
Wow, तो बड़ी अच्छी है.
Then we have pink.
हाँ, ये देखो धोती स्टाइल स्कर्ट है ये. ठीक है.
Then we have a shirt.
अच्छा ये कुर्ता है. ओके.
Design like.
ठीक है, बनारसी कपड़े की. एंड
Then we have a pink and green border chori.
हाँ, ये एक्चुअली कस्टम मेड ड्रेस है जो अनंत्या की मम्मा ने उसके लिए बनवाई है. तो आज आप दिखाओगे कि बुआ ने आपको क्या दिया है.
पहले मम्मा का.
क्या मम्मा का?
जो मम्मा ने दी.
अच्छा, जो मम्मा ने गिफ्ट दिया है. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक.
मम्मा ने मुझे Shopkins दिया. मेरे.
She is damn crazy for Shopkins. If you have a kid of her age, you might be knowing this. Kids are crazy for Shopkins. Okay, and she also got this Elsa Anna bag for Diwali as a Diwali gift. Floating candles भी हैं अनंत्या के घर पर, है ना अनंत्या? इतनी सारी मिठाई रखी हुई है. ओह माय गॉड, ये सारी मिठाई मुझे लगता है एक ही जन खाएगा, वो है आपकी फूफा जी. एंड रंगोली is done. So let me show you what I got for Anantya. I got almost everything which she likes.
Caramel dairy milk.
Caramel dairy milk, and then
Snacky.
biscuits, which are my favorites. So I thought you will like him.
Yes,
I got
Swiss roll.
Swiss roll from Monginis. These are actually my favorites. That's why I got it for her, and it's her favorite as well. She likes it, right?
2 juice.
3 juices: lychee and guava and mango. 3 juices.
Lychee, guava, mango.
Where's the mango one? It's not here. Or maybe it will be in the other poly bag. Okay, in this one.
Choco pie.
Yes, I got choco pie for you and the other items as well.
Chocolate.
Yes, I got a big bag of Ferrero Rocher for Bhaiya. He likes this chocolate, so that's why. And
I don't like that.
there are other items as well.
Popcorn.
Popcorn, so that she can enjoy at home eating popcorns. And what else?
Mangoes.
Mango juice.
And yes, my favorite fruit.
Kappa soup, Maggie, Knorr's Kappa soup I got. Oh.
We have 3 chocolates.
These are new chocolates. I don't know what these chocolates are. So eat them in front of me so that I know what kind of chocolates they are.
And we have one more. Bubbly. Bubbly.
I got a big bubbly as well. You're so happy, right? On this wall we have pictures of Anantya.
My mom liked this one.
And she liked the red one.
And Bua, take a picture.
This picture is clicked by me, this picture is clicked by me, this picture is clicked by my phone, and this picture is also clicked by me. क्या बात है, स्नैक्स तो बड़े मस्त लग रहे हैं देखने में. Okay, she has this beautiful cycle in her house, and Anna likes it a lot. She just wanted to ride on this cycle, which is actually artificial. So
sleeping.
Anna is sleeping right now, so that's why Bua is vlogging. So I made this rangoli for Miss Anand. She's very much interested in learning rangoli, and she wanted me to make a rangoli, so I made it for her. गाजीपुर मंडी से आए हैं फ्लावर्स, कितने प्यारे एंड फ्रेश लग रहे हैं, एकदम मस्त सुंदर से. तो रंगोली में एक ट्विस्ट, ये एक रेड कलर के फ्लावर्स और ऐड कर दिए गए हैं. I just came from my brother's house, and now we are preparing for everything, and because we don't have that much time, and as well as we have a big a naughty person here in our house which is not letting us do anything, so that's why I cannot vlog at all. Either Arjun and I are holding Anna and somebody is doing puja work, and we also have to cook, so that's why it's a little difficult for me to vlog right now, but still I will try to survive this video, right? Anna kahan hai?
Khel rahi hai.
Thankfully. So I'm making पालक की पूरीज and पापड़ भी मैंने कर लिए हैं, तो बस पूरी ही रह गई है.
साल में एक बार श्रुति आनंद पूरी बना रही है.
देखो, I don't expect from me that I cook good or something. I used to
गोल पूरी बना लेते हो.
I used to cook ना, तो but unfortunately after husband criticized me so much for my cooking, I thought this is not my forte. I should not put any more energy in cooking. So, but it is.
देखते हैं ये फूलती है, फूलती
लेगी सारी पूरियाँ फूलेंगी. ऐसी बात नहीं है, याद है मुझे सब कुछ काम, बट अब करती नहीं हूँ, टाइम नहीं है, बच्चे के साथ नहीं हो पाता है, और यूट्यूब भी है साथ में, डिफिकल्ट है, बट आता सब कुछ है. Finally, all the puris are done and packed in a hot case, but unfortunately I'm not able to close the lid, so I did the jugaad, and I have this vessel over the hot case. So I did fried poppers, which my husband loves a lot. So there are like 5 different types of poppers, and I still need to decorate the flowers. That's the only work which is left, except that I have to get ready and get the whole house and Anna ready. So the arrangements are all done. The puja thali is done, and the big diya is done with the small hathi diyas and the other diyas. Everything is almost done here. And my dad made this which we usually make on every Diwali. So that's that. My makeup and dress is done as well. So yeah, here is my outfit. It's a cotton kind of lehenga with a crop top. from Viva. You guys already know that. For my kangans, I'm wearing these kangans. I got these from Chandni Chowk. Earrings also from Chandni Chowk. You can get the details of exact same shop from my Chandni Chowk haul video. And here's my makeup, pretty simple, and with eyelashes and everything. The lipstick I'm wearing is Miami Fever from Ofra. It's kind of complementing with the outfit, so I got it. Arjun is not at all interested in showing his outfit. I got this from Mumbai for him, from a brand called Manyavar, I think. And my baby doll is wearing a pink cow lehenga. This lehenga is from a website called Pink Cow. I had already shown this lehenga in a haul video. And she's looking so cutie, pretty. And she's wearing these bangles which I got from which box, Arjun? Jewelry box? No, jewelry box. Jewelry box.
Embellishment box.
Embellishment box. And
her because she is little unwell and it's a little cold out here.
So yeah. And one more thing, her shoes are from Kittens. They are really pretty and glittery, just perfect for the festive season. And my dad is wearing a white kurta. Where is he?
Papa, आपका भी number लग गया.
So my dad is wearing a white kurta. What it is called? Chicken की कढ़ाई.
20वीं दिवाली है इस कुर्ते की.
बट पापा ने उसको न्यू कर लिया, उसके काफी रिनोवेशन करा दिया, इसका ऑल्ट्रेशन रिनोवेशन हो गया इस कुर्ते का.
ये मुझे अर्जुन ने गिफ्ट किया था, इसलिए मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
अच्छा, शादी के टाइम. हाँ, तुम लखनऊ से लेके आए थे.
सबसे लकी कुर्ता है. हाँ. मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा कुर्ता है. मैं इसको बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करता हूँ, बहुत पसंद करता हूँ. इसको हमेशा रखूंगा अपने पास.
ओके, चलिए, क्या बात है दामाद का प्यार. तो चलिए चलते हैं. अब हम लोगों के घर दिवाली देने जा रहे हैं. So we bought some small gifts, not big gifts, because we wasn't having that much time. So हमने wrap भी नहीं कर पाया है, तो sorry for that. But we got gifts for our neighbors. So अब हम बस वो देने जा रहे हैं. And afterwards that we will come and do the puja and we'll eat food.
चंद्र कृपाल भज मन
हरण भव भय दारुण मव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर पद कंजारुणम.
कमल सुकात कृष्ण जगवाही जो ही होता तुम पाही. कमल सुकात कृष्ण जगवाही जो ही होता तुम पाही. जे विधु माथित मोरा कीजिए विदास में तुरा जे विधु माथित मोरा कीजिए विदास में.
ये 5-6 वाले दिए तो बहुत ही अच्छे निकले हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे से जल रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट दिवाली पे अगर आपको अच्छे दिए चाहिए जो बहुत देर तक जले, वो 5-6 वाले दिए ज़रूर लीजिएगा. हमें ये बड़ा वाला दिया जलाने का टाइम नहीं मिला, बट हमने हाथी वाले दिए उसके ऊपर रख दिए हैं। कल हम ये बड़ा वाला दिया जलाएंगे। बाकी सारा काम हो गया है, बस खाना खाना बाकी है, जो कि सबसे मेन काम है। सही बोल रही हो ना? ऐसा कहा जाता है कि आज के दिन डोर क्लोज नहीं करते, तो मैंने अभी क्लोज नहीं किया हुआ। जब तक हम सो रहे हैं एटलीस्ट तब तक हम डोर क्लोज नहीं करेंगे। ऐना को मैंने चेंज करा दिया है और देखती हूँ क्या कर रही है। वैसे तो वो बस बेड पे लेट के थोड़ा सा ऐसे ही खेल रही है। ऐना मम्मम चाहिए बेबी? क्या चाहिए? नो 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 नो। It's time for Anna to sleep and for me it's time to eat. So we are gonna have dinner and I'm gonna say bye-bye to you over here only. I just wanted to have food and then put Anna to sleep and then I'm gonna sleep after removing the makeup. And in case you're wondering what I'm gonna eat, here is my thali of food.